Hello. Welcome to my stream Late Night Talks with Romantic Developer. It's our 70th stream in that series from at least 152, I hope from 152 similar day stream. Okay, I see that my phone picked up the stream, so it's cool. Give me a second, I'll ask it to start following me. So it's a week of reflection and maybe like as other weeks. As usual, I'll say that if you're attracted by some titles or some keywords or search terms, so it's probably you could find it if you jump right to the action using the video titles, video sections below. So please check them and jump. Or we could continue slightly slowly going to the target. So I have my air garden and it's already off. So it's maybe off in 10:20 or so, because the earliest I could start it was around 7:20 or something. I of course get up earlier, but get down where it's located and switch it on. It's a challenge for me. So okay, it's the earliest I could do, 7:20. Yeah, maybe I will check and fix that later, but yeah, right now it's like that. Give me a second. Okay. And I started about 2 weeks ago. Today is 22nd. It was on September 6th, I believe. 22 minus 6. It's about 16 days, so 2.5 weeks mostly. Yeah, I planted and started it with my favorite herb, basil, and maybe they took about a week for germination, and now after 2 weeks they grow like above the platform, and now some of plants are really growing fast. They spread their leaves and they stay strong and they're so nice. So yeah, it's one of the happy moment. Go to the place where I work and see my garden, my air garden, indoor small garden with basils that they are growing and they're waving me as well. By the way, I have much more plants here, which we bought together with wife, or my wife choose them, or we together choose them. And they are also like our long standing, long living guests. And I also like them. But with that basil, it's a slightly different story. It's like you plant them from seed, and it's so exciting to see how they grow. And the final result would be that I will eat them or will make tea with them. So yeah, but I think that plants has different, let's say, different way of receiving happiness in our life. So, and when someone consumes them with respect, it's what they like a lot, and why they grow. And yeah, they probably don't have, if you're talking about some mind or soul. Oh, nice, I have my window open. Like soul, they most probably have not like separate soul and mind for each, but they're connected to one big mind and one big soul for each species, plant species. So yeah, they all like interconnected on some type of fields which we yet to discover. Okay, so about reflections, as I said yesterday, it's a great experience to do some cleansing, cleansing of your body. As I said, I did liver cleansing and also cleansing the whole digestive system after that, and it was a nice, very nice feeling. The only thing that today, maybe because of it, maybe because some other reasons, yeah, I feel slightly tired, especially now after the whole day. Oh, also, I did shopping with my mother-in-law. It's nice experience, but usually I do it with my mother-in-law and my wife. And yeah, without my wife, everything is not so bright. And yeah, we visited multiple stores to get all we need. So yeah, it also took some energy. The result, I normally don't weight myself every day, but before I waited and I do weight calculation after the cleansing, and I lost about 2.5 kilogram, about 5 pounds, just as a result of that cleansing. And as well, I eat slightly less for the yesterday and today, basically. So yeah, day of low eating plus cleansing equals 5 pounds. Of course, it wouldn't happen every day. So if tomorrow I do cleansing, it will not repeat. But yeah, it was cool and exciting result. So as well, I did some other exercise which I shared last week. It was writing your happy day from your dreams, how you want to live in your bright, cool future. So let's imagine that you get up and it's a day when all your dreams come true, how the days will look like. So in which house you get up, what are you doing, how many bedroom or bathroom or stores your house has, what you are doing once you get up, whom you sleep with, and so on and so on. What you're doing once you do some morning routine, where you eat, what you eat, with whom, and then what you do the next, what you do for living, or maybe what you do, maybe not for living, maybe you are a rich person, but what you do to enjoy your life, what is your work, projects, ideas, and everything. So and I wrote it and received about several papers, full letter format papers about my day schedule, what I'm doing. Again, I didn't put the exact details, what exactly I'm doing, with whom I'm meeting, for example, at the work. I just put details that I'm working with some people who are responsible for that or doing that. And yeah, it displayed some areas of my interest in the future. Basically, whom I want to become, in which conditions, in which environment I want to live, in which house, and yeah, I just like preserve that in memory as my future plan, and think, okay, how what I'm doing now could make me closer to what I want. And yes, there are multiple flows, and even I could find a place for my everyday streams in that plan, because of course I want to take some important place in my company, or basically in the new company which would be mine, and I need some ability for public relationship. And of course I hope that by the time I would have some followers, subscribers. I'm not talking about even that channel. Maybe it would be some different way, maybe some ex Twitter or anything else. And still I need to share something, talk about something. And of course, if I have more mature experience in that, it would be better. Yeah, and as well, I imagine that I have several cool topics which remind me about some ideas I want to start implementing in my life, not connected to that channel and stream, and so on. So yeah, I did that exercise as well. I don't exactly remember. Probably it was like Friday or Thursday night when I thought about that. So yeah, I need to make my stream better. Also, because I thought slightly about my program. Let me see. My phone is frozen for some reason. Hello. Playback 1.5. Yeah, 1.5. It means it will try to. It's on live mark, but it's slightly behind me. So once I set reproduction time, so playback speed as 1.5 or something, it means that it will play with 1.5 till it can adjust with mean time. And yeah, it's a hack how you want to be really live in some stream. Okay, so and so yeah, today I'm thought about my program and everything, and understand, okay, looks like I don't like very well how it's working. Yes, so how my program is working. And I think, okay, maybe but I don't want to spend just some time outside of the streams. Not some time. I don't want to create everything outside my stream because I want something to be part of my stream, like some coding exercises. And I decided, okay, why I will not build it from scratch, and taking into account my experience, what I want to add, and just design it from scratch. And also will use ChatGPT just to see how it could be helpful for that. So yeah, that was my idea. And I thought, okay, maybe I'll spend first 10 up to 15 minutes of the stream for some reflections, for some thoughts, for some thinking. And we have a lot of ideas, thoughts about nature, human life, energy, all that, media, information, and everything, satisfaction from life, and so on. And then spend maybe another 15, 20, 30, how it goes, minutes just to do some coding to create my next version of YouTube or video helper, video helper, to make it work as I would like to do that. So I think we could start today about that, and maybe I would start off writing some technical specification for that. So and where I could do that, probably I could do that into my Google Drive. Okay, so let's start. I want to create new folder, and let's call it projects. And in that folder, I want to, oh, nice girl. I want to create another folder and call it AI. Okay, YouTube AI helper. Okay, and here we will create some document from template gallery. Project proposal. I haven't used all of those, so it's just provide some basic information. Okay, if we will look on the work, we have our newsletter, business process manual, consulting agreement, newsletter, brochure, onboard notes, meeting notes, project proposal. Let's select some project proposal and see. Interesting. Okay. Let's project description. Let's call it YouTube AI and remove all of that. Project name will be YouTube AI helper, and we starting today, so it will be 22nd of September 2024. Okay, let's write what we want. YouTube AI helper. Come on. It will be not heading but normal text. Helps to process video and provide help in the next areas. By running predefined models over video transcript to generate useful information like video titles, ideas, video summary, video keywords for different social platforms, including YouTube. Let's say, and more. I don't like that type of phrases, but okay, goals. Support video different methods of adding a video, uploading video, uploading audio from the video, uploading transcript video, transcript itself, specifying video path, so we could download what we need. Look at ability to download new video from connected channel. Transcribe videos. To get, let's say, good transcript. Yes. Transcribe to get good transcript. Supporting multiple models. Supporting transcripts from audio file more than 25 megabyte. Let's call it whisper case. And ability to update the transcript before other tasks. Use LLM models to make transcript to fix automatic transcript errors, punctuation, placing some abbreviations. Okay, so it's good. What else we could do? What else? So support different methods of adding video. Let's say process video to extract what we need. Audio file to create transcript. So we have as little audio file as needed for transcribing. Okay, then run LLM models on top of transcript to execute various tasks. It would be suggest exciting titles for such videos, create a summary for the videos, description for videos for YouTube platform, including creation of video sections, chapters. Okay, what will be the next? Suggest good keywords for the video. Suggest thumbnails, ideas for the video. Suggest promotion text, ads from different ads platform. Suggest video description and for different social platforms. Extract nice ideas for the shorts creation. Okay, so we have a list of what we could do with that video once we transcribe it. Also add transcription results along with selected results from LLM models execution to, let's call it, to the search index. Probably it would be Azure Vector Search. So we could ask questions about multiple videos in some category. Also, create authentication and authorizations. Use Google, YouTube channel house as main option so far. So we are doing it for as YouTube helper initially, but even if you will use it for different videos, I think everyone could have YouTube Google channel, Google account. So basically at least basic YouTube channel for that account, correct? So, and we provided basically about 6 goals or it's 6 tasks for that. Specifications. So for the specification, we need to define how we will build it. Let's say now how we see that the project will be built on Azure platform using tools like Azure OpenAI capabilities, Azure Web App, UX, LLM model execution. Also what we want, Azure Web. I'm thinking about Azure functions to execute specific time-consuming tasks. Azure Storage. To store all received and obtained, all received files and obtained results. Azure SQL Server under question for managing users, files, channels, and so on. Milestones. Let's call it doc ready. Let's call it idea ready. What it would be? It would be we finish initial planning, create project in PSTS, agrees on initial implementation ideas, complete initial task creation. So next would be authentication model. So on that stage, we create a simple UX for authentication, implement basic house, model our DB storage. So we know where to find users, their data, their files, their templates, and so on. Interesting. I tried to copy it. So the next phase would be implement files uploading and creation. Support different options to upload files from multiple video formats to audio and text. The next would be transcription. I understand that it's all very small tasks, but yeah, who knows? Yeah, I want to try it again from scratch and see how it will work. Transcription support whisper models, selection for transcriptions, support long audio, more 25 megabyte limit, add ability to beautify transcript, executing additional LLM models. Select storage for transcript, support several transcript execution case of need. So, and then it would be our models execution, support multiple models selection and adding on, support multiple profiles and video categories. What else we want to support? Probably our models would be executed, where to store their result. X for display. That we need also here and here. Oh, and everywhere is the same. And it would be 6. First beta version is ready. We have end-to-end working raw the type with ability to upload or specify path to video file, download process audio, process create transcript, apply LLM models. So here we want to add another point. Add ability to review suggested title, description, keyword. And automatically apply it for the video in case of YouTube platform. And for that, after model execution, we want to add another that would go update YouTube video with selected properties. Applying title, video description, video, keywords for YouTube platform. After or without review. Sounds excellent. Update video on the YouTube platform. So in a beautiful case, we would have a project which could is it possible to edit somewhere? Okay. So after that, it was possible to, just log in into that application, configure it once, and then ideally it would look on your videos on your channel and apply everything once you finish them. Or when you upload them even in private mode or something, it could suggest you something, so you will not spend a lot of time on that unless you have a big desire to set it all yourself. Of course, it could happen for short videos and in multiple cases, but when you do exercise like I am, multiple streams every day, so probably it could be good for you. Oh, so let's put it into our project. Move here. So into our project, we have project description, which is nice. We will use that project description to create some tasks and start working on those tasks. Also, we could go here and say, okay, now I just want to change back the romantic developer, and let's create that project under romantic developer. So it will be YouTube AI helper. We add some description. We add it as private, and we add Git, and we get agile as process. Click create. So let's try to see how we could do the things from the scratch, from the stream number 70. Okay. So tomorrow we'll start to create some task and talking about ideas on what to use to implement that. So I think it would be helpful use of OpenAI models like ChatGPT 4 and maybe we could try for ChatGPT o1 preview just to see what it will suggest, and probably it will suggest something good, so I will take most part of it about our implementation, about our ideas. We'll review them one by one. So yeah, I think if I'll do the streams from home, I could do them like today. I'll spend some time of the stream, like 10-15 minutes for general topics, and then I could just do some exercises about work, how to create something, how to create project from idea to final implementation with ChatGPT, which will be very useful. So everyone could do that if they want. At least have an idea how I'm thinking about it, how I could do that. Again, in the area where I had some experience before, but for multiple years I work in slightly different areas now, which are not so nice to stream, and I'm not sure if I have even permission to do that. Okay, as usual, I'm wishing you a good time of your day, good night or good morning or good day. I wish you to create cozy environment around you. I wish you to accept more and more things in this world, accept with love, accept without any aggression, with wisdom, and give your acceptance, love, happiness, some of your light, sweet energy to your loved one, to others. Try to exchange, try not to lose it. So whenever you spend some of your energy, provide some of your energy, and you feel good about it, it's not losing, it's gifting, and gift always come back in some different form, so universe will do that. So yeah, I will be streaming here for another 82 days at least, if not more. And of course, I invite you to join me. Put your comments under the stream. I will be quite happy if someone have any. Okay, guys, see you whenever you like. Goodbye.